In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion aesthetic with a color block. Whether you're an experienced Notion user or just starting out, customizing your pages can make your workspace more visually appealing and organized. So, let's dive in and transform your Notion pages with just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have Notion open and ready to go. You'll want to be on the page where you want to add an aesthetic touch. Once you're all set, the first thing we're going to do is to type / followed by the word callout, like this. Callout. Callouts are a great way to draw attention to specific sections of your page, and they naturally come with space for both text and an icon, allowing for clear and concise emphasis. Now, after you type / callout, hit enter. What you'll see is a callout block where you can add text and even an icon to personalize your space further. Feel free to get creative here. You can type a header or an inspirational quote, anything that stands out. Remember, the more personality you add, the more the callout can reflect both your aesthetic and your workflow. For an added bit of flair, you might want to include an icon. This can be an emoji or an image that complements the text to enhance the visual side of your note, so don't hesitate to explore your options here. Next, we want to make our callout even more eye-catching by introducing some color. To do this, we're going to click on the 6-dot menu located to the left of your callout block. When you hover over it, it will appear as a set of 6 little gray dots. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with various settings for your block. From this menu, select Color. This is where the magic really happens, enabling you to choose a background color that best fits your style or the theme of the page you're creating. You'll see a variety of colors available, both soft and vibrant, so pick a shade that resonates with you. Perhaps something pastel for a calm and serene look, or a bold color to bring energy to your workspace. Let's imagine a few examples to give you some inspiration. You might set up a block titled Ideas and Inspiration with a light bulb icon that features a gentle yellow background, creating a warm and inviting space to brainstorm. Or, for your weekly goals, you might choose a bold shade, something like a deep blue to instill a sense of focus and purpose. For a learning resources section, perhaps a fresh green would symbolize growth and knowledge. By the end of these steps, you should have visually distinct sections that not only make your Notion page beautiful, but also more functional by organizing content into clear, thematic blocks. With these enhancements, your Notion workspace will not only look fantastic, but also motivate productivity and creativity. Thanks for joining me today. Keep experimenting with your designs and enjoy your newly aesthetic Notion page.